Welcome to DV Workshop channel. Today we will discuss how to export and import Hyper-V VM machines using Hyper-V Manager. Let's start. First of all, we will press Window key plus R and then we will type optional features.exe. Then here we have to find Hyper-V. We have to scroll down and we have to check Hyper-V, and we have to check every option beneath this option. If you do not find these options, then you have to check the prerequisites. To enable Hyper-V in any machine, in any Windows machine, you need to have a Windows Enterprise or Windows Pro or Windows Education. Also, you need to have a 64-bit processor with a minimum of 4 GB memory. For example, Hyper-V role cannot be installed on Windows Home. If you have installed Windows Home, then you may think about upgrading it to Windows Enterprise or Pro or Education. Press Window key plus R and type Server Manager. Press OK. Navigate to Tools, click on Tools, and then click on Hyper-V Manager. Cancel out from here. If you do not find Server Manager and window did not open up, that means you did not have installed Remote Server Administration Tools. For this, you have to search RSAT or Remote Server Administration Tools in Microsoft website. You may Google it. For example, I have installed Remote Server Administration Tools for Windows 8.1. For example, this software already has been installed on my machine. I have Windows 8.1 Pro, so this update is already installed. That's why Server Manager option is working for me. Let's open the Server Manager again and click on Hyper-V Manager. How to export virtual machines? Navigate to the host name and then click on the virtual machines which we want to export. Right click and click on the export. Go to the location where you want to place the export backup. Create a folder. Create a new folder where we will place the backup over there. Select the new folder path and click on export. Then navigate to the action. This option means that export is running. So wait for these options to go away. Wait for few minutes. When your export will be completed, this option will go away. Navigate to the actions, click on import virtual machine, click on next. Provide the backup folder from where you want to import. Click next, select the virtual machine and then click on copy the virtual machine, create a new ID. This is the third option over here because we want to create a new machine. Click next. Check this checkbox, store the virtual machine in different location because we want to create a new location so that it won't overwrite existing virtual machine with the same name. We have to create a folder where we will place the new machine. So we have created the folder over here and then we have to provide this location for these three text boxes. For example, virtual machine configuration, we provide the new folder over there, and for checkpoint store also we provide the same location, and smart paging folder also we provide the same location. We click on the next. When we go to the next folder, there it is asking for the where to place the BM disk. We have to create a new folder to place the BM disks. Provide the location of the disk, click on finish. Wait for the export to be completed. Now we have imported the machine. Now we have to click on each virtual machine and see the created timestamp. The latest timestamp would be the machine we have imported. Rename the machine with the name so that you can identify this is a newly imported machine. Here we are renaming it to OL6_3. Right click on the newly created machine, click on start and machine will be starting. Right click again and click on OL63 and click on connect. Provide the credentials for username and password. Click on login. Open a terminal window. Ping google.com. So there is no internet. Please subscribe to this channel. In the next video we will discuss how to share the internet on this machine. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.